wheel spacers really make a difference? Let's take a look. BONOSSPort active cooling wheel spacers. The bed of spacer has specially petal-shaped grooves because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold air flow efficiently and continuously inside the spacer, while cold air flowing. The heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of active cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brake. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first active cooling technique. The most important thing that is the production cost of active cooling technique is almost the same as common spacers, so that the customer is scarcely need to pay extra for this. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.